Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another hair tutorial. This wig was sent in by a client for treatment and I'm going to show you how I do that. So I'm going to be using the RYYZN Smooth Salon Silk shampoo, Smooth Salon Silk conditioner and my care serum, and as well as this L'Oreal Elvive deep conditioning mask treatment. And then I'm also going to be needing my paddle brush for detangling. Firstly, you want to start off by detangling the hair. Brush it through and make sure it does not have any tangles. It's easier to do this when the hair is dry. When it is wet, it'll be easier to rip and damage the hair. In this next clip, you'll see me wetting the hair, prepping it for shampooing. However, I am not going to include how I shampoo the hair in this video. If you'd like to see that, please watch my other hair tutorials. I am going to skip that. After shampooing, I'm going to take this RYYZN Smooth and Silky conditioner and I'm going to drench the hair in this. Brush it through as well just to make sure that every strand is coated, and then I'll show you what I do next. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Elvive deep conditioning mask and I'm going to apply that over the RYYZN conditioner. I'm going to massage this in and brush it through as well, and then I'm going to place it in a plastic bag. Before putting it in the plastic bag, I did apply some things to it that I cannot share with you, but I'm going to place it in the bag, and then I'm going to take an empty ice cream container, fill it up with some boiling water, and then I'm going to place the bag in there. Be careful not to put too much water so it overflows. Then I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, put our wig in there, and I pressed the on button. I repeated this twice. So once the hair is done, I remove it from the bag. Please be very careful, this is hot. I place it in the basin, pour some lukewarm to cold water, and then I am going to brush out the conditioner and the mask, as well as the other things that I applied to this hair. And then I'm going to apply serum and let it air dry in the shower. I'm applying the Care Strengthening and Replenishing Serum. 2 pumps of that on my palms, rubbing it through the hair, and then I am going to brush it through before hanging it to air dry. This is what the hair looks like after air drying in the shower all night. I'm going to apply this Clicks Hair Rescue Serum, 2 pumps in my palms, and I'm going to apply that all over the hair before I blow dry it. So I am just blow drying the hair, trying to stretch it out so it is as straight as possible before I straighten it. So what you've been seeing me do is that I have sectioned the hair line by line, and I have been straightening it that way. It makes the hair more sleek and more straight, and I am not going to go into detail. I have a whole video on this. Now I am just going to straighten part by part the closure. This is my secret to my closures laying so flat. If you open line by line and take small sections of your closure and straighten that, it will lay very flat. I do not have a hot comb, and this is my little trick. To finish off, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil, and I'm going to put 2 pumps of that, work it through the hair just to give it an extra sheen, make it shiny and fight the frizz. Lastly, I'm going to use my favorite OGX Kukui oil just to spritz it. This helps fight frizz, and it also gives a very nice sheen to the hair. This is what the hair looks like, and these are the results. Microwave deep conditioning wigs also gives me great results, and I thought I should share with you. Unfortunately, I could not show you and tell you what I applied to the hair before I placed it in the microwave, because that is part of my business secret. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.